Okay, good morning, guys. I hope you are quite ready for our mathematics lesson. And if you tuned in on this lesson, it means you're actually watching the video before you start your work, which I'm super chuffed with because you cannot do the work unless you watch the videos. Okay, as you could see on your little booklet, I said we're doing ordinal numbers, and there I gave you the clue. What are they? Now you guys might remember, let me see if I can show that quickly to you. No, I don't think I will be able to. We have that hanging thing on in our class saying ordinal numbers with all the different colors, first, second, third, and so on. It's been hanging there the whole year. So if you turn your page on Monday, it will say watch this YouTube, and this is the one you're watching at the moment. Then I explain to you ordinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all the numbers that we've been using all the time in mathematics and everyday life, we call cardinal numbers. Um, and ordinal numbers show position. This is the first footstep, second one, third one, fourth one, putting things in order. That's why it's ordinal. Okay, so I'm going to chat to you guys about this quickly. On Monday, you do activity 1 and 2. This is activity 1. Every time there's something that you need to do, an X in the second, the 12th, the 13th, the 15th box. Now, can you see the TH at the back? It's this. That means position. All right, so sorry about that. I've put my video on airplane mode, so I don't know why that WhatsApp came through, but anyways, so use those signs please. And then this one, you use the positions to figure out certain clues. So each one of them has, and I know it says 8, doesn't matter, it is the first one in your case. 6th will then be an F, 9th will be an I. So just follow the clues and you will see there's a secret message. So that's also easy. Then we get to Tuesday, where I'm going to explain in this paper that it is when people are standing in a queue and you have to put them in a certain order. And I'm going to explain that a little bit. That is quite easy. Those are things that you've been doing since now. And this is the one that I want to focus on specifically because this might be a little bit tricky for you guys. So I'm quickly going to move to another thing. If I have these dinosaurs, I think you guys can see them. I borrowed them from Spashka and the small kitties. If I have these dinosaurs and I'm putting them on their side so you guys can see them standing like that. Maybe I can just put them randomly. Okay. Imagine I have these dinosaurs and I ask them, let me put them like that. They can all sort of being in a queue. Can you see the dinosaurs walking? Okay. Now let's pretend I ask you, you have to order them. Now, I can't say according to size from the biggest to the largest because in real life, yes, we do have big ones and small ones, but in these little figurines, they all have similar size. So if I should say, order these dinosaurs and I want the blue ones first, then the green ones, then the red ones, then the yellow ones. Then you will start. Okay, blue ones, green ones. Oops, now I can't remember. Did I say red first? Okay, let's pretend I said red. I can't remember now. That's not the point. And I ordered them according to colors. And I can say blue first, second, third, fourth. Okay, so that is one way of looking at things. I can also take animals. Now I've got this container with animals. Now I know you guys see this dog. Okay, if I have this dog, I'm just going to put him on his legs, otherwise they can't stand properly. And I have this elephant, and I put them aside. You know, dog can't be bigger than an elephant. So this is just for the sake of explanation. So if it's according to size, he would be first in real life, and the dog will be behind him. And then the chicken, although the chicken is quite big, in real life the chicken can't be bigger than the elephant, okay? So I'm just thinking of real life animals. Then the elephant will be first because he's the biggest, then the dog, then the chicken, okay? And when, imagine we had dinosaurs at the moment and they were not extinct, I have to move all these guys and the dinosaur would have been the biggest and he would be first in line. The elephant second in line, the dog third in line, and the chicken fourth. Okay, so those things are things that you guys know. You've been taught that since year zero. And also we get like on a class list. Now, Abigail, I apologize if you don't see your name. I just quickly grabbed the list. Now, and it was an old list, so ignore the numbers. But Asia is according to the alphabet and her surname. Asia is first in line, then Katrina, then Davidson, then Nina. 1, 2, 3, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, and then it is Abigail. Okay, Abigail, I'm just going to insert you there. Alright, and then we have Abigail. So even on a class list, according to alphabetical order, the surnames, okay, Abigail would have been over there if you put it in alphabetical order. Alright, so this seems like, oh, this is too easy, Mrs. De Bruyne, we can do this. But on this worksheet, the one with the people, you are going to have certain challenges because you have to move the people, but